Hello there. Okay, so today's agenda is to install and set up Emacs to my liking on Windows. But one of the things that I will be doing is extensively using AI and you know with the help of AI we will be doing and also looking at YouTube videos and seeing that how can we do it. Uh, let's just begin. And how to install Emacs. There it is.
Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install Emacs. For
Okay.
Emacs,
So we simply just Emacs. What? Where is the official website? Okay. Emacs. What? Okay, let's just
and open the link from
it's new. There it is. And
gnu.org. Don't worry. So the text editor. To download, simply select your operating system,
okay.
and here we have a download.
So we just simply let's just go to new.org and from here we will go to software and left Emacs. There it is. And we're going to go for Windows. And we have, is this the command that I'll be running? So this is PHP, Node3, and this should be Windows. Yes. Okay.
Option. We can either download it from nearby GNU mirror or we can download it from main GNU FTP server. Simply click on this option. Now here we have different version of Emacs.
And we
Simply
will
select
choose
the latest version
just one.
and download the simply select the latest
Okay, so
version
latest version.
and download the installer.exe file.
There it is.
Here you can see it is downloading. It is around.
Okay, so this is the downloading part. But we also know that there are config files for Emacs. So where did put the configuration files for Emacs? Where are the configuration files? Configuration files aren't stored in a single unified location. Instead, they are spread across several different folders, depending on whether the settings are for the whole system, a specific user account, or a particular application. Okay, app data is for user-specified application settings. So we have this app data folder contains three important subfolders. Each folder, what? Okay, Windows System 32 and config. So this is the system-wide. So I'll just simply install it system-wide. Group policy if your computer is on a network, no, it is not. User configuration, other common locations, Windows, username. Okay, okay. And so it is installed. Simply run the installer. Yes. There it is. Welcome to Emacs. Next. Okay. Okay, install. Okay, so the installation process is straightforward, but the configuration, like within Linux, we have the home folder .emacs.da, and within that folder we have folder or directory. We have our configuration files. Now, where are these located in Windows? It says user specified registry high, so it's in here. Okay, let's just say where is init.el file specifically? Okay, since we need those configuration files, access to those configuration. So it's on Windows, the default Emacs init.el is username, app data, roaming, and so I think we would be able to access that location via cd app data local roaming roaming. What? Okay. A lot of programs. CD Emacs. Okay, let's say if it's installed completed. And within here we have roaming CD. Okay, so there is no file name for this. To navigate quickly using this open run dialog, app data, and this will open up. Okay, and here we will search for wow. Oof, this will take a lot. Oh wait, we're already within the roaming folder, and within it we have .emacs.p. Okay, .emacs. Okay, there it is. Emacs. Right click, open terminal, uh, cd emacs, cd dot emacs dot p. No, no file. So should I be creating a file? There is no cd app data, and here we have okay, it's not in here. Should I launch Emacs then? It might open up. Okay. Program files Emacs. There. No, no, cd dot Emacs. There it is. Okay. So here we will go Emacs net dot here. Come on. Do this. Select. And we go net dot here. of nothing. Go red empty. Init dot. Okay, so we have our init dot here. Is we simple init dot el configuration file for Windows with better forms. And well, I just need a good enough configuration for my Emacs, and then I'll just add stuff from there. Okay, so we are here, and all we need to do is to set init.el. Okay, so what is it? Adding a cleaner UI, better fonts for Windows. Um, so, okay, so these are the other options, and then we have the package manager, Manpa installation. Okay, perfect. We'll just need to copy this from here, Control Y, and then we'll load file and edit. And there we have it. Better. Okay, so I do not like this menu bar. I do need that toolbar. I also need that scroll bar mode, column number. I don't need that. I don't need column numbers and stuff like that. Yes, it's fine. Load, fine. Okay, so now when I open up Emacs, perfect. So we have better fonts and stuff like that. And wait, I believe there was no except this active rolling Emacs field and I also need to add okay, what was I about to add in here? Yeah, theme. I believe it's load theme uh, modus frequency. I believe this is the format. Perfect. But it wasn't modus vivendi, it was I believe modus operandi. Operandi. Okay, this is a bit too much. It's that. So it was perfect. This is a perfect configuration, and I'll add further things to it, and I'll make a video about it and let you guys know what that uh, how my editor is then like. So I need to add LSP configuration and support for Python and C and C++. And yeah, and a little better theme for it, and it would be perfect. Okay, bye.